Hello friends, welcome to our channel All for Food. Now today we will be making Cholar Dal, that is chane ka dal, in a Bengali style. This is made during the pujas or any fast. You can make it because it has no onion, garlic, and it goes very well with luchis or puri, whatever. Then paratha, kodai shuti kochuri, that is the green peas kachori, hing kachori. It goes very well, and it is definitely eaten during the pujas. Once like Shoshti, we have pure veg uh, meal. Shoshti and Oshtumi, usually people have a pure veg meal. So now let's start our recipe for the day. I'm switching on the gas. I will make this in mustard oil. Bengali dishes are usually made in mustard oil. Let my kadai just heat up nicely. And for my tempering, I'm going to put some bay leaves. 2 whole red chilies, some cumin seeds, some green cardamom, some cloves, and some dalchini. My oil is hot. I'm putting my bay leaves. I'll put in my green cardamom. I'll put in my cinnamon, my red chili, and my jeera. In the meantime, let it just cook a little. I have some ground ginger. I will add 1 teaspoon of haldi, half teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 big teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it nicely, and my paste is ready. Now in this, I put in some cut coconut into small pieces. I'll just fry this along with this. Put in about a teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida. Put in a handful of kishmis. A little salt. Half teaspoon of powder sugar. Okay, now we will put the paste that we prepared. We will put that in and fry it up nicely. This is chana dal which I soaked, washed nicely, and I boiled it in the pressure cooker with a little salt and some bay leaves for 2 whistles. Now that may vary. Now we put in our chana dal. Now this is a little on the sweet side, that is if you like it. It gives a good taste. Put a little garam masala, about a teaspoon. We need to add little water to it. I added hot water. Add 2 green chilies slit. That can vary according to your taste. Let it simmer and boil for about 4 to 5 minutes. I have to add in a little more salt. I tasted it. Sugar also, little. In the end, a dollop of ghee. Now it looks a little watery now, but once it becomes cool, it will settle a little. It will become a little more thicker. So I am switching off my gas, and now we are going to serve it. Our dal is ready to be served. Just decorate it with a little coconut. Friends, I hope you like this recipe. It is simple and a vegetarian recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family.